Good morning. We'll discuss this example. What number should be added to each of these numbers so that the resulting numbers are in proportion? So let x be the number added. So 103 plus x, 135 plus x, 110 plus x, 144 plus x. So this we can write 103 plus x by 135 plus x is equal to 110x by 144 plus x. So in this way we can now cross multiply. So 103 plus x, 144 plus x is equal to 110 plus x into 135 plus x. Okay, just solve these brackets. So 103 multiplied by this 144, it is a 14832 plus 103x plus 144x plus this 144x plus x square is equal to 110 into 135. So 14850 into this plus 110x plus 135x plus x square. So after solving the brackets we get this. So this x square will get cancelled. Now what is remain? Remain is 14832 plus 103x plus 144, that is 247x is equal to this 245x plus 14850. So take this x term on one side. So 247x minus 24, this is a 245. 110 plus 135, that is a 245. So 245x is equal to 14850 minus 14832. Okay, so this is 247 minus 245. So 2x is equal to, if we subtract this we get here 18. So x is equal to 18 by 2, that is equal to 9. So what number should be added to each of the numbers so the resulting number are in proportion? So the numbers should be added is x is equal to 9. Number should be equal to x is equal to 9. Next example we will discuss that two numbers x and y are in the ratio x to 9 and their sum is 34. Then x is, we have to find value of x. If the two number x and y are in the ratio 8 to 9, so x by y is equal to 8 by 9. So this ratio is given. If you solve this, 9x minus 8y is equal to 0. So we will get this one equation, and their sum is 34. So one more equation will get their sum is 34. So these two equations will get. Now we have to multiply equation 2 by 8. Multiply 2 by 8. If you multiply 2 by 8, then 8x plus 8y is equal to 34 into multiply 8. So this equation we have got 3. Okay, we have to just now add equation 1 and 3. Add equation 1 and 3, we get, if we add equation 1 and 3, we get 1 and 3. So 9 plus 8x is equal to, if you add these two equations, for example 9x minus 8y is equal to 0 and 8x plus 8y is equal to 34 into 8. So you have to add this equation, this will get cancelled. So this is 17x is equal to 34 into 8, and therefore x is equal to 34 into 8 by 17. 17 to the 34, 8 to the 16. So then x is the 16. Value of the x should be 16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.